Good morning. Good morning. This is my pre-final examination. So this is a student information form. We have name, grade, and date. For example, we input the name Jemari B. Espanol and his or and his grade, which is the 1.0, and then the date and other student information. Then after nimo pag-input sa student information is makita din nato siya diri sa table sa ubos sa form. Then sa table is naatay edit if naay mali nga naimong na-type. Aside sa edit is naputay delete na action. If gusto na to i-delete ang isa ka row, like for example si Brewster Topaz, ato siyang i-delete. So all the student information that we input sa form is makita nato siya sa database since connected naman sila.